We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
According to www.fsis.usda.gov, it's recommended to cook or freeze fresh poultry, fish, ground meats and variety meats within 2 days of buying, and other beef, veal, lamb, and pork within 3 to 5 days. The sell-by date tells the store how long it can display the food for sale.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.